This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JLab earbuds to your Honor phone. And this is running Android. So what I want to do is swipe down from the top right, go to settings, and then I can select Bluetooth and go to this. Then you might have to scan for Bluetooth devices, but under available devices just go to your JLab headset, open this up. And now you should be able to just remove these, put them to the side, and this should automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can see the light is blinking. We can go over here and you can see JLab Go Pop Plus. I can select this now and go to pair. And this should connect to my Honor phone now. And you can go to the settings option right here. And you can remove it in the future. So you can go to on pair and bring it to a new device by disconnecting on your old device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.